Hey everybody. So next week I'm going to be at AU 2023. And so I'm going to bring my stuff and try to do some recordings while I'm out there. But I just wanted to put it out there if anybody's never heard of this conference. It's really good because there's a lot of content that's hosted online because I don't get to go that often, and I like watching some of the classes online. So I definitely recommend checking those out from previous years. And I think there's some live sessions you can check out during the conference. So definitely check those out, see if there's anything interesting. It was kind of funny this year. It felt like there was a lot of AI stuff, obviously, with all the big movement around that, but it was very heavy Autodesk, which I get that too. But the presentations, there was a lot of them that they were hosted and presented by Autodesk, and I enjoy seeing other firms present their ideas, their workflows, their tools that they create, even if they're all Autodesk tools. Those are interesting to see how other firms are using them, and what workflows, what workarounds are they doing, what interesting things they're doing with them. And I didn't find a whole lot of those classes. Now, fortunately, I found some really good MEP ones. I found some really good data-related ones, which is an interest of mine. So there were some good topics, but I had to fill some of them with things I've never messed with before. I think I have one Maya class. It'll be interesting to join that to see kind of how that tool works, and see some of the interesting things that they're doing with it now. I like learning from other industries, so I do think that is important. It's just, it didn't seem like there was a whole lot of selection, unfortunately. But anyways, just, updating folks, and I'll be there. I'll try to create some videos while I'm out there. But also check the site out and just search for classes. I come out here every so often, and I will look for stuff that will help. So it could be like a Dynamo, or like I don't use AutoCAD that often, so maybe it's about converting to Revit from AutoCAD. There's some classes on there, so it's definitely a good resource. So check that out. I'll put the link below. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.